Welcome back to Swiss Watch Expo. We have a really exciting new arrival into our inventory here at SwissWatchExpo.com. Today we're looking at the Patek Philippe Complications 4948R-001. This watch packs one of Patek Philippe's most celebrated complications into an elegant design that's as practical as it is beautiful. And the Patek Philippe Complications showcases one of the brand's most practical innovations, which is the annual calendar, which automatically distinguishes between 30 and 31-day months and only requiring an adjustment about once a year at the end of February, which to me is really fantastic because one of my gripes with a lot of these watches that have a day or date function is if I don't wear it after a certain amount of time, or if I am wearing it, I always have to adjust that date every other month. But with this Patek Philippe annual calendar here, you don't have to worry about that. As long as it's keeping its power reserve, that calendar date is going to hold that for a full year, which is really phenomenal. So you can always put this on a watch winder, make sure it's always functioning, and that way that day and date function will always stay accurate, and you only have to adjust it once a year, which is insane. And so this one here features a 38mm case, features a day, month, date, and also a moon phase complication. And I just want to really take a moment to really appreciate the dial and the artistry that Patek Philippe put on this watch itself. This is crafted in 18 karat rose gold, and it features a stunning mother of pearl dial set with diamonds on the bezel here, along with these really nice rose gold Arabic numerals that are really easy to read, and I feel like really pops against that mother of pearl dial itself. But looking around the case, and also even on the crown itself, you got a pave set diamonds going all the way around here. And even on that rose gold tang buckle here, you also have some diamonds going around there as well. And then of course you have that beautiful exhibition case back. And this is powered by the Patek Philippe in-house caliber 324. And this is visible through that sapphire case back, and it's finished to the exceptional standards that have made Patek Philippe one of the most respected watchmakers in the industry, and it holds a nice 45-hour power reserve. So there's a lot packed into this nice luxury watch, which I also think is really nice and really stands out as far as a piece that's really going to grab a lot of attention where you're wearing this out. So this is great for any special occasion, or you're just really wanting to celebrate a big milestone in your life. This is a fantastic piece of artwork from Patek Philippe, and this is really combining everyday practicality, exceptional finishing, and one of watchmaking's most useful complications. And this is a perfect example of why Patek Philippe remains one of the most respected names in watch horology. So you definitely want to go ahead and check this one out here at SwissWatchExpo.com.